Ever wondered why your Google Ads is not working well, or your campaigns are not generating good results, or, having high CPC costs and, like poor conversions and low CTR click-through rate, and you must be wondering, like, why is it for me? I'm trying everything, I make a campaign on best campaign practices, still it's not converting well. You know why? Because you are making one big mistake with your Google Ads campaign, and that is not only causing you a lot of loss, but apart from losing money, you are losing a lot of things, such as you are getting poor conversions, poor quality traffic, and higher CPCs just because of this single mistake you are doing with Google Ads. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about that single mistake that is causing you huge loss with the Google Ads campaign. You must be wondering, what is that mistake? And before I explain that, let me tell you one thing, and that is that nothing is small, and you may be underestimating that thing, but that thing doesn't need to be underestimated, but rather needs to be discussed, because that plays a huge role. That the quality score of the algorithm of Google Ads work with intent of the user. Whatever the user searches on Google, we need to correctly determine the intent of the user behind searching that query. When we are even searching buy iPhone and even searching iPhone deals, although with both are buying keywords, and with both the user want to buy iPhone, but with both the intent is different, because with the buy iPhone the user wants to buy iPhone, but the user who is searching iPhone deals, he is tight on budget, yet he wants to buy the iPhone, but he's tight on the budget, so give him something free with him along with the iPhone, and that way he is going to buy the thing. So we need to understand the intent. So I'm going to tell you now the exact mistake you are doing with your negative campaign, and that is with the Google Ads campaign, and that is you are not having enough list of negative keywords in your Google Ads campaign. And you must be wondering, like, oh, I know about negative keywords, what's new about it? So in this video I'm going to tell you more why it is, because when we figured yet out that the intent of the key user behind every keyword is very important. Now move on to the next part, and that is how the intent is playing, and how that is very important. So we know that negative keywords let you exclude a search term. So first discuss the benefits, and then I'm going to discuss how it is causing. So in case if you are having correct negative keywords, so you can have increased conversions. You will have more conversions because you will get more targeted traffic, because with the negative keywords we are going to remove those people who have negative intent when they are opening our website, and we are going to remove every visitor to land from our website which have negative intent or negative thoughts about the product or our website. So we have to ensure this thing. If we are not ensuring this thing, means we are losing out. The second is it can decrease the CPC cost. How? Because when you will get targeted traffic, you will automatically get the third benefit, and that is increased CTR. When you will have increased CTR, then your quality score will improve, which will automatically reduce your CPC cost. Because in the auction procedure, in case if you know deeply about how does Google Ads work, campaigns with higher CTR pays less money due to their higher quality score, and CTR plays a huge role. And which campaigns get high CTR? Those which have attractive ads with targeted keywords, highly intent visitors coming to those ads. So for that we are going to work on the negative keyword list. So you must be wondering on, I know I have figured and created a negative list, but I'm going to share with you some of the very common negative keywords which I have encountered over the period of been doing Google Ads from around 15 years. And let me share you some of the common negative keyword list, and that I believe should be added in your keyword list. But you need to frequently keep a strong eye on whatever negative keywords appears by working on search term on Google Ads to see how you can eliminate those on your Google Ads campaign. Let's see, I have discussed it many times. Like, scam is a very common negative word. In case of a product is searching, let's say your product is iPhone scams. So I don't want my ad to be appear. Like, even buy iPhone or iPhone deal scam. I do not want my ad to be shown when the word scam is added. Another is complaint. People searches regarding complaints of a specific product. It means that the intent of the user is not to buy the product, but rather knowing the complaint. So whenever the word complaint appears, I do not want my ad to be shown. Another is side effects. I have tried on various campaigns, and these three keywords are like a very common. That in case of a user searching for side effects, again I do not want my ad to be appeared. Again is hack, crack. Okay. Another is trial. Okay, the trial is not for everyone. In case if you are selling something which has a trial offer, then you do not need to add this word. But in case if your user is searching for a trial and you do not offer a trial, you need to add this in your negative keyword. Free is another word. People are searching for your product, and that is how they are trying to get a free product of yours, and you are not selling it for free and you are charging it. So there is no point of targeting users who are searching for free offers relevant to your product. And also that again, the word cheap is again not for everyone. If you are selling a cheap product, I am sure that this negative keyword is not for you. But in case if you are not selling cheap product, then this word is for you, because the cheap word is in case if you are selling high quality luxury product, then there is no point of targeting people who are looking for a cheap version of your product, which is why we need to have this word in the negative keyword list. So these are few of the very common negative keyword lists I believe that should help you in improving your targeted traffic, which will eventually improve your conversions, which will eventually improve your CTR, and which will eventually reduce your Google Ads cost for each click. And now how to add negative keywords in your list. So procedure is very easy. All you have to do is you have to open your Google Ads account, and accounts you just have to move to negative keywords. This can be shown below in the keywords tab, and here negative keywords, you have an option of adding those keywords into either campaign or ad group. For instance, if I'm running multiple campaigns and I want to add this for a specific ad group, or I can add through ad group. But in case if I want to add for all the ad groups, I can select this campaign. What I recommend is that you should go with a campaign and have those keywords added for all ad groups, because you never know the visitor from where they can come. And another important term is the third part, search term. Just keep a strong eye on the search terms to find out new queries for negative keywords through which people are coming and they are not generating sales. So that is a big mistake I have seen people doing on Google Ads, and this can eventually increase your cost. And you must be wondering, like, I'm trying my best and still I'm not getting good sales. So yeah, also this is a small mistake, not a very big mistake, but I have seen many beginners doing, even some advanced people are doing, is that they are not focusing much on negative keywords. So that is a sign that they are actually losing money by getting irrelevant or untargeted traffic. In case if you have these words, they can definitely increase your traffic, but our ultimate goal is not to increase the traffic, but rather to reduce the cost and get targeted traffic. So these were this was my idea on the biggest mistake Google Ads people are doing on Google Ads. I know that this mistake is not the big for many, and for some it's very big. So keep it with a pinch of salt. But I tried to discuss, because I think that this is people are not focusing enough on negative keywords. Even those who think that it is a big mistake, or it is not a big mistake, they are not emphasizing much on negative keywords. on as much as I want you guys to do on. So with this, I like to end. In case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I mean, 70% of my people who are watching my videos have not yet subscribed to my channel. I mean, why? Why you guys are not subscribing? At least subscribe. Give me, I'm actually trying to create helpful content for you guys. So yeah, thank you and bye bye.